What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Naturallybria. I'm going to show you guys how I wrap up my starter locks. Wrapping them really works for me, and it makes me feel okay with the process because I don't feel comfortable yet just to wear my baby locks just like sticking all over my head. I don't feel comfortable with that. So anything that I could do to help myself not to want to unravel them and comb them out is what I'm going to do. So I like wraps. I love wraps. I was wearing wraps before I even decided to start locking my hair. So these wraps really work for me. So basically, this is not the locks, of course. This is a wig that I made. I made me a wig just in case it got messy and I wasn't comfortable how they look, so which I wasn't. And so I made this little quick little wig. But I'm going to take this down so I can show you guys how I wrap my hair. Just taking the bobby pins out of this. Here is this wig. I'm going to take this off. Basically, it's just some two-strand twists that I made to look like my hair, and it blends really well when I actually put it on. I know I look crazy right now, don't judge me. So then I'm gonna take this cap off. I have a great cap under that. So what I do is I have a big satin bonnet, and I have some tights that I rolled up into a ball. And honestly, I just put this on the top of my head like this. And then I put this over the tights. So put this on. You see how it's like big and fluffy and the tights are up here. So now I'm just gonna push the big bonnet up as if I was doing like a bun on top. All right, so there you have the bun. Doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. It could be wobbly, that's okay, because that's not gonna be the main focus. No one's gonna see that anyway. So then I take my wrap. It has a little bit of oil on it, it's okay. So I take my solid scarf, take it over my head like that. So you see how it's like this? So I just pull this up, bring it through here. So I let that be my foundation. So I kind of like my buns, my things to like sit up really high and big. So the height of this is okay. If you want it smaller than that, I guess you can just have something smaller underneath there. But I like mine to make it seem like I have like a lot of hair underneath it. So then I'm just gonna twist this in. I'll do one side first. So I'm gonna twist this side, wrap it here, keep twisting. And honestly, this really doesn't take that long. It's like a boom, boom, bam situation, you know? So twist that. I'm gonna let this one go so I can focus on twisting this and tucking it. And I'm gonna tuck it underneath what I just twisted, basically. All right, so that. And I'm gonna take this one on this side, wrap it here. Okay, that first one is trying to stick out. So let's tuck that some more. There we go. And wrap this one here. See how I just wrapped it? I just twisted it, wrapped it, wrapping it around. We're gonna tuck this one as well, just like that. And I like to, I really like it over my ears rather than behind my ears. I just like how it looks, and I like to push it back just to show a little bit of my edges. So just like that. And yeah. And then you can just keep messing with it, playing with it, you know, how you really want it, just to make how neat you want it, just to get it neat to your liking. I just try and get it as neat to how I like for it to look, get it neat as possible. But this is what I do. I'm gonna tuck the back of the scarf underneath the bonnet so it won't really keep sliding like that. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, there we go. I don't know if you can see that. All right, and there you have it. And that's all I do. Just take some wrappers, tuck in, and boom. It's like a 2-second situation. Yes, yes. I just love the way it looks. Like, I love wraps. I love head wraps. They're just a staple piece in my wardrobe. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like it. I hope you try it out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.